itong mga subgroups. What do you think the answer? Exactly. The answer is letter B. Igorot. Sila ay isang like umbrella at meron silang mga subgroups. Very good. Number 2. Ifugao is known for the... Yes. Try to write your correct answer. Ifugao is very known for the rice terraces. Exactly. Number 3. The Aita are found mostly in the mountains of A. Zambales, B. Cebu, C. Davao, at D. Iloilo. Exactly, Zambales. Ang mga Aita ay makikita sa Zambales. Hiligaynon or Ilonggo is spoken mainly in where? Samar and Leyte, Iloilo and Negros Occidental, or Batanes or Ilocos region? Tama, Iloilo at Negros Occidental. Maranao means people of the? From the word Maranao. Exactly, Maranao means people of the lake. Let's try this one. True or false? Ang Igorot and Ifugao are exactly the same. True or false? Palagi nating naririnig ang Ifugao at Igorot. Isa lang ba sila? Tama o mali? Mali. Iba po ang pangkat ng Igorot at iba din ang pangkat ng Ifugao. Dahil ang Igorot is ang umbrella nasa taas, pero ang Ifugao is just a subgroup under Igorot. Next, the Waray people mostly live in Samar and Leyte. True or false? Exactly, the answer is true. The Waray people mostly live in Samar and Leyte. The Aita are among the earliest inhabitants of Luzon. Is that true or is that false? Ang Aita ang mga Aita or mga Ita ang pinakaunang naninirahan sa Luzon. Alam mo ba, that is true. Tama iyan. Number 4, Maranao culture is known for turugan houses. Yung mga kahit mayroong bagyo, hindi talaga masisira yung bahay. Tama o mali? That is true. Maranao culture is known for turugan houses because Maranao is known people of the lake. So alam nila kung paano i-build yung house nila na kahit may bagyo, hindi talaga masisira. Ang Ivatan people are found in